as I say, yesterday I make one tackle, and all everybody speak about is this tackle. Nobody speaks about the 50-yard pass that kills Balmon and it causes a red card for him. And nobody talks about the shot that Landreau would have been happy to see. You know, he didn't see the ball, never mind have a chance to save it. So for me, it's important that people speak about the qualities I bring as a footballer, and I'm a little bit bored, you know, from the English media, and hopefully the French media has more about it than the English media, and concentrate on stupid little incidents like this. Maybe the one criticism of the French league is it's a little bit boring, you know. And I can understand, you know. I watched Lille yesterday. They have 10 men and they're happy to lose 1-0. You know, they have 10 men, and for me, you might as well lose 5-0 as 1-0. You know, it's still no point. He's Argentine and I'm English. It's big difference, big difference. A big ocean. The Atlantic is different.